Alright guys, we got an airport weather warning today. Did not see it until it popped up this afternoon, but we're supposed to be seeing gusts of 40, 45, and I was getting knocked around pretty good on the road, but not seeing any big gusts hit the trees yet. Come over here, I'll show you over here. They're really starting to move. Even that one's starting to move some. But this is supposed to go all night. And then you really see those trees getting whipped around. So, yay. Might have to deal with a power outage tonight. Great. I hope we don't.